Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we're going to be unboxing the K&N High Flow Air Filter Washable Reusable Performance, designed to increase horsepower and acceleration up to 50% more air. This one is number 332476. We're going to use it on a 2015 Chevy Sonic. So let's see what all comes in the box with it so we know. The box is empty. Comes with this. Congratulations! Tells you all about it. And that they also have different air intake systems. And then here is the air filter itself. So it's in plastic because it's oiled right now. So, and then they have kits where you clean it off and it gets all that out, and then you put it back in. The pink stuff is the oil. So, nice thick rubber. Back in the day, they used to come with stickers that you could put on your air box that would say, K&N air filter, don't throw away. So, like if you ever brought it to the shop or whatnot. But this one does not, apparently. So, I hope this helped you out. If you want to know what all came in the box, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out here on the homestead. I'll see you guys later.